how to attract all the abundance, wealth, love, happy relationships, experiences in your life. Hey, in this short video, I'm going to teach you how you have the power to literally transform your life. I don't know where you're at in your life, but I know without a shadow of a doubt, the people that I've mentored, that you, no matter where you are, no matter your situation, no matter your education, your race, your location of where you are, that you could have the abundance that you want in your life. And I know this from experience. I know this from teaching others. I know this from over 10 years of study and reading every book I could on abundance, on law of attraction, on manifesting your life. I went from being homeless in Saskatoon, Saskatchewan, Canada, to currently living in a $1.2 million mansion, getting checks in the mail at all times, getting full paid trips to like Tokyo, London, Paris, Albuquerque, all kinds of places absolutely free. And I want to teach you how to transform your life and have abundance in your life. And this is going to be a short video, but I'm hoping you subscribe from this video because this is going to be the theme of my YouTube channel. I literally erased all my videos, had over 300 videos talking about just different things, and it didn't really make sense. But what I'm passionate about is helping you to create abundance, helping you literally to 10x your life, 20x, 100x your life. I want you right now to think about how much you make in a year. And I promise you, if you follow what I'm going to be teaching you in my videos, that your yearly income could become a monthly income. Now, this is not a contract, I know some people will be like, what the heck? But I know from what I've shared with people, and I'm not going to teach you where to invest your money, what crypto to buy. The way I teach abundance is like spiritual abundance, and the things that happen inside your mind, inside of your energy realm, that causes the attraction of wealth to come to you. Think and Grow Rich, there's a line that says, money and wealth come so fast and so quick. Once you understand this, that you'll be wondering where it was all these lean years. And that has happened for me, where you're 1 week away from paying rent and you don't have the money, and you don't have money to buy food for you to feed your family, and how that feels, where you're shrinking inside, wondering where that next dollar is going to come from, to having $5,000 days, $10,000 days, all the way up to $100,000 days and up. And the reason why I want to teach you this is also a selfish on my part, because I know the more people I help, the more abundance is going to come to me and my family. And so I'm on a mission to help as many people as I could discover abundance, because it absolutely changed my life. I became a world champion dancer in what I do with POW dancing. I became an international award-winning artist. I became an entrepreneur that reaches millions of people every single month. And so many good things has happened to me. I got free trips to the Super Bowl, and I performed at the Super Bowl. I got free trips to go to like Tokyo, and fully paid, and flights, and this stuff happens constantly. And the one reason why is because I expect it to happen. I've learned and trained my body and my mind to expect good things to happen in my life, to a point where it's extreme faith, that no matter what, good things are going to happen in my life. I'm going to attract good things. So I want you to realize that your expectations of your life are going to cause what happens in your life. And we're going to train you and teach you how to change those expectations, because a lot of people nowadays are expecting from their results. They look at their bank account and they expect this is how it's going to always be. They look at their weight and they expect this is how it's always going to be, or bad things always happen, so they expect that. I want these videos to be short, 5-minute videos at all times. So I'm going to stop right here and say subscribe. Let's get you going to creating massive abundance in your life. Let's go.